All right, guys, we are super excited to present to you the future of the world. These were literally invented by a computer, and they put in the parameters like, we need it to turn like this, we need it to hold this much weight, and the artificial intelligence was like, boom, and came up with this prototype, I guess. I don't know if you guys saw the titanium trucks. It was a very similar design. These are just slightly different. The big difference that these are made of aluminum.
Aluminum.
Or for those blokes across the pond, aluminium.
My phone autocorrects to aluminium.
It's because your phone is Australian.
Aluminium, these trucks here today, and we're gonna see if they're gonna break. They also said that they spark. So my original idea was that with this was that we were gonna spark it into gasoline and it was gonna light on fire. But we're at Fremont today, and I don't think bringing gasoline to Fremont with all these kids around would be such a good idea. So let's go ahead and put these on my skateboard and get to skateboarding on them and see what happens. All right, guys, so we realized very quickly that I have Allen key hardware because I am just cooler. We're gonna skate Carlos's board, the 3-block.
Just so you guys know, if you chip my board, nothing's gonna happen, okay?
Shout out AutoDesk for hooking us up with this incredible stuff. Wow, okay, that looks beautiful. That looks gorgeous. So this is artificial intelligence skateboard trucks version dos.
Dos means 2.
He doesn't even speak Spanish. In the last video we did with these trucks, they were titanium. These are aluminum, as we pointed out. But we also played a full part game of skate. Go ahead and play it again.
What are you doing?
On your hands.
Oh.
What?
First, second, third, fourth.
Let's go to the manual pad and get everybody out. That was my trick.
My turn?
I'll stay over here. I'll be nice.
I feel like they're higher than highs.
Extra high.
Dang it, it just took me out on my own trick.
Uzi, go, 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 go,
Okay,
go.
I'm going.
I'm so proud of Uzi. I'm so proud of him.
Wow, you guys are all machines.
Did we get physical?
Yeah.
AI, I really like that, man. That was really cool.
Generative design.
Right, you're a
AutoDesk,
degenerate.
Paul, I got you. Ah!
You're a degenerate.
Flashbang.
This is my one time. I'm gonna make everybody upset, okay? I'm sorry.
Don't feel bad anymore. Just go for him.
Always feel bad.
No.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Wait for me though.
That felt so weird.
There you go, Carlos. I like what you're going for now.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Booyaka, booyaka, booyaka.
I got my
Woo! How's the wear test going?
It's good.
good.
Oh, and you skated the titanium ones. Are these lighter or no?
You know what? I don't remember. I think these are heavier, though.
Titanium is
'Cause
lighter?
Titaniums
So I
are way
remember when I
lighter.
was skating
Interesting.
those, like, this wasn't happening. Like, I did this, the board went like...
I like these ones better.
Oh no! Oh no, Uzi.
Like it ain't nothing.
Oh no! I'm gonna request an obstacle change, Carlos.
Yes.
Aaron, tell people to come to the Braille House party on the 27th.
I need to skate more.
I guess that's the invite right there.
Whoa! Hey, guys
gonna-
got him flying.
I was just gonna try and go to flat. It would have counted.
Whoa! What are you doing?
Uzi, where are you going?
Whoa!
Okay, I'll do the 5-stair. So how many 180s we're gonna do in this video, huh?
All of them. Every single one.
All the 180s.
I was gonna go for a tray flip that I just learned, so probably better that I did
Why
back.
would-
I want to hear it. Who taught you tray flips down stuff?
Los Ligel.
Oh, you got one more
Yeah.
try.
What are we at right now?
I suck at back 180s.
You do actually.
So if I could land this right now, give me a standing ovation, guys. Please.
I will.
Woo. Standing ovation.
I'm actually pretty surprised.
That hit.
Nigel is so mad right now.
What a jerk. What a jerk.
Nigel, do you want to try it or do you want to take the letter?
Yeah, I'm trying this. Are you kidding me? I can kickflip.
Oh! Look at the roll away. Look at him. Look at him.
I could kickflip.
I didn't doubt you for a second, Nigel. I swear. Oh! He held on to that. Only a generatively designed man could do kickflips both ways. All right, Nigel, how you feeling?
I'm gonna land this.
I'm rooting so hard for you right now.
What? I've been practicing.
What?
I've been practicing. Told you, I'm in the Braille warehouse and I practice all the time.
That's my boy!
Wow.
No one ever skates that, I guess.
I'm gonna skate the bank thing. Lowest heel flip in the world.
I don't even think you popped it, actually.
Whatever, it counts.
Spiders! What? Do it for the spiders! Let me try. One more try.
Woo! Is that real?
Oh! Easy.
He needs some milk.
Everything has been building up to this.
It's okay. I've been training.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Everything has
Carlos
been
is
building
turning
up
this.
to this. Whoa!
How you do these things?
Oh, Uzi! I told you it all came down to this. Everyone's at T except for you, Carlos.
I got him! Spiders! We gotta get out of here! Spiders!
Let's go!
Spiders on the ground,
Yeah,
spiders on the wall. There's spiders in the air. Oh, you got one more try.
I got spiders. That's what I got.
Oh,
Oh, this is baloney. I got spiders all over me.
I really hate spiders.
Never in my life have done this trick.
Oh!
I've never even tried this.
Do it. All right, you got one more try. Whoa!
I cannot believe I landed
I did not
that.
expect that.
I didn't either.
Good stuff.
What to do?
You want me to give you a trick? I'm just gonna point. It's on this side and it's on the hubba. You know what to do.
Oh. Say what? That was the fastest 5-0 I've ever seen.
Another one. Got it.
Float like a feather.
Daniel's like the least feathery person I know.
I know.
There. Oh yeah!
He floated like a feather.
One more try, Fetty. Woo!
Oh, it's over.
Bro, hold my phone.
I
might die. I've got an idea.
You got this.
I've got an idea.
Fetty has fully skated away. I think he's taking a letter. Uzi, everything you have into this try. If you stay on that, I will give that to you.
It's actually probably harder.
But you only have one more try. Oh!
I should have tried just down the first try.
Can you go for it?
I guess. I'll try Daniel's way. This side's not as waxed.
I know.
And that is what is called a game. Good stuff, man.
Actually,
What did you think of the trucks compared to the titanium ones?
they're a little bit heavier, but I kind of like it. Just the fact that I felt more grounded.
Hi, Bear.
Hi, Bear. But overall, great, man. I mean, they grind fast. I didn't complain. They were good trucks. I mean,
Nigel, what'd you think?
I liked them. I'm gonna skate them more, I think.
Maybe if you like skate those, you can kickflip consistently.
Maybe.
Because it
Maybe.
seemed like your kickflips were on point. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
And Daniel, what'd you think of them?
They were great.
All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think that artificial intelligence is taking over the world, leave it in the comments below. And then remember, #notification squad. Hope you guys liked this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Watch all the other videos in this playlist. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you tomorrow.